are doing some math, and today we're going to be talking about coins. When do we use coins? Why do we have coins? That's right. Think about it. Think about it. Coins are what we use to buy things. It's a type of money. You put coins together and you make dollars. That's right. So we have penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. Remember, goes like this. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. That's right. So penny is worth 1 cent. Now let's try another one. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. All right, now we're to dime. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10 cents, 1 dime. Then the quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25. I'm told quarter, quarter is worth 25. So let's say those again. Penny is 1 cent. Nickel is 5 cents. Dime is 10 cents. Quarter is 25 cents. That's right. Penny is worth the least amount and quarter is worth the most amount that we're talking about today. Now what happens if I have 2 pennies? How many cents do I have? So I have to think and ask myself, which coin is this? How much is 1 coin worth? And then if I add another coin, how do I count? So we know that pennies are worth 1 cent. So I know I'm going to count by ones. 1 cent, 2 cents. So 2 pennies are worth 2 cents. Good. Now, what happens if I get 2 nickels? Now, the question you ask first, how much is 1 nickel? That's right, it's worth 5. So if I bring another nickel in that's worth 5, I have to count by 5s. So I have 5 cents, 10 cents. Good job. What happens when I have 2 dimes? What's that first question you need to ask yourself? How much is 1 dime worth? How much is 1 dime worth? That's right, 10 cents. So if I bring another dime in and it's 10 more cents, what am I going to count by? Tens, that's right. 10 cents, 20 cents. So when you have 2 dimes, that equals 20 cents. Good job. The next one is quarter. Big and bold. So we know 1 quarter is 25. We haven't talked about what we do when we have 2 quarters. It makes 50 cents for 2 quarters. Now, what you're going to do is your mom or dad or someone should have you a cup of coins. I want you to sort your coins. Then I want you to practice counting by 1s for the penny, by 5s for the nickel, by 10s for the dime, and 25 for the quarter. After you practice playing that game, you're going to come and do your independent lesson, which is number 116. You're going to look at the rows of coins. You have to ask yourself, which coin is it and how much is each coin worth before you start counting. You have to figure out if you count by ones, if you count by fives, if you count by tens, or if you count by 25s. So do your best on that. Then on the back, you're going to write your numbers from 11 to 30. Always, always do your best. If you're not understanding the coins, ask for help. Send Miss Miranda a message and I'll help you. Always do your best, and I'll see you next time.